How to create education brochure on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create education brochure on Microsoft Word in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Word. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. All what you have to do is go to education right here, as you can see. Click on it like this and you will find the education brochure option. If you didn't find it, just go to the top and search for it right here, and then click on it like this and click on create. And after you click create, you will be able to change any text and anything you want, as you can see right here. And after you finish, just go to the top corner and click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video until the end.